Hello. It's a beautiful day, and I'm sitting here in the park. The sun is bright, the grass is green, life is good. Goodbye.
We are just chilling at the park. It's gorgeous outside, and I don't think Connor's ever actually stepped foot on grass before, so we gave him that opportunity. Hello. It is just absolutely beautiful outside. Connor likes it. Don't ya?
I want to go take some photography pictures.
Then you have at it.
Don't record me getting up because it sounds horrible.
It sounds horrible? Ow!
Oh.
Go fly free, my son. Take some pictures. Bye. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Okay, so it looks like there's a new Harry Potter TV spot. We're gonna check it out.
Harry Potter.
Oh.
Allow your friends to die for you, rather than face me yourself. Join me and confront your fate. Come on, Tom. Let's finish this the way we started. Together. This film is not yet rated in theaters.
I'm rather proud that Voldemort only screamed yeah, what was it, 2 times? He's really cutting back. He's getting a handle on his problem, so that's good news. Okay. Wait, the faster, Daddy. No, do the faster, Daddy, faster. Not that fast.
You're too cute.
Oh, happy? Dude, happy? Oh my lord, dude. Oh. Stop napping at me. Aww. Isn't that why you babysit other people's children's to use for your own entertainment purposes? It is, isn't it? I'm loving it. So it is pouring. Guess who's gonna go out in it? So that was amazing. It was pouring. I'm all wet. And I found a worm. And I went and I walked in the gutter like I used to when I was a kid and got yelled at by my mom. And yeah, because it's like a little river. It was so much fun. My feet are kind of cold, but I want to go back out. Mom, can I go back out? Mom? Mom, can I go back out? I won't get struck by lightning, I promise. Mom? So I made Shayna something very special for graduation a couple years back. Would you like to demonstrate it for them, what it is?
It's a butt scratcher.